Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in to today's webinar. We'll be discussing how to use an epinephrine pen. So to begin, let me tell you what an EpiPen is. An EpiPen is a dose of epinephrine, which is a medication that can work to decrease the symptoms of an allergic reaction. These symptoms include low blood pressure, wheezing, itching of the skin, and hives, and can result from foods, medications, pollens, dust, chemicals, and bug bites or stings. Epinephrine can be a life-saving medication and should be given at the first sign of a severe allergic reaction. Commercially available epinephrine pens, such as EpiPen, are simple to use. To use an epinephrine, form a fist around the pen and remove the safety release cap. Place the orange end of the pen against the outer mid-thigh. Push down hard until the click is heard or felt, and hold the pen in place for 10 seconds. Remove the pen and massage the injection site for 10 seconds. Properly dispose of the used device in a sharps container. Note the time of the injection, and then seek medical care. Here's a video on how to use an epinephrine pen. Don't forget, online CPR certification is available on our site. You can find a link in the description. We encourage you to become certified as soon as possible, either in a classroom or on your own time with an online course. Thank you again for tuning into our webinar, and catch us for our next one, coming soon.